Hey guys, today we'll be making banga rice. I've been craving for this banga rice for a very long time and I decided to make it today. So I want to show you guys the things that I'll be using. Actually, this is a very simple food that doesn't require a lot of ingredients. So I just place out the main ingredients, like the main 3-4 ingredients that you need in your pepper. This one I cannot add more than this because I'm scared that it will be too pepperish. I don't know, because I'm not the only one who's going to eat it. So I'm going in with 3 onions because in banga rice onions is really good to use. So mostly onions and pepper are the real deal in banga rice. I'm going in with maggi, salt. So this is the banga paste that I'll be using. Here you can get the fresh banga, so you have to use something like this. So these are the 3 things I've done. I already made the sauce aside. I'm not going to make the sauce on the video because I already finished making the sauce. You're going to see it later. So there are 4 cups of rice. This is the measurement I use. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. I finished chopping the onion into a big piece. And remember the pepper, there were like 9 pieces of pepper, but I'm using just 6. Because like I said, I don't want it to be too pepperish. So if the food is not pepperish, then at the end of the video, I'm going to slice the remaining 3. For now, let's just do with this. I'm going to blend this right now. How it looks after I finish blending it, I'm going to use it like this. So while I'm waiting for the rice to get done, I'm already melting the banga. So let's wait. Hopefully we can get some oil from this thing later because I need some oil that I want to put aside. So let's allow it to boil a little before I'll take off some oil from it. Well guys, I'm not doing a voice cover on this particular video. I'm going to say it while doing the video. I'm going to talk while doing the video because I'm tired of doing voice cover. Yeah, so you just have to manage the video like this. Remember I said I'm going to take some oil out from this. I waited up till now, but I didn't really see any better thing to take out. I guess because it's a preserved banga, so that's why the thing don't have a lot of oil. So what I'm going to take the one that I can take because I need this thing later on. So let's just try and take the one that I can get. Let's see if it will be okay. This is the rice. Like I said, I'm going to boil the rice first. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's very soft now, but not too much. So I'm going to put the rest inside. So to help it, banga rice is not supposed to be strong. Banga rice is supposed to be very soft. You know what I mean? Now that I've finished taking all the oils that I want, I'm going to go in with this right now. That's the thing that I grinded at the beginning, the onion and the pepper that I grinded at the beginning. So guys, now I'm going to go in with the rice. I'll put them gradually because the sauce should be more than the rice. The rice should not be more than the sauce, so I'm going to put the rice gradually. I'm going to go in with the salt. So guys, this was the only sauce that I was able to get from the banga sauce. So I'll put it gradually into the banga rice. So I'm just going to stir. And I'm going to be adding the last portion of this oil to it. I don't know, the thing for me is not red like the real banga rice, but I've tasted it, it's very sweet. So this is my onion and my fresh pepper. Oh, where is this coming from? You know, I said I'm going to put the onion and fresh pepper later. So at the end, I sliced one fresh pepper and an onion. That is what you're seeing here right now. So this is ready actually. Let me just wait a little bit. No, I want to put the sauce inside. The sauce aside somewhere here. It's going to cover the whole pot because the pot is not even big. And I have my beans that I cooked yesterday also. I'm going to have to eat later. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed the video. People, my delicious Banga rice is ready. There is nothing you can say that will even hurt me. In as much as this is not a fresh Banga, this is a preserved one. At first I was thinking it's not going to come out really well like this, but right now I can say the result is really amazing. See, can you see this? Oh god. And here is my sauce. You know, I said I'm going to put the sauce inside the pot, but as you can see, the plate is a little bit bigger than, no, not like bigger than the pot, but it's big, so it will occupy every space inside the pot, so I have to just do it separately. Guys, Banga rice always go well with the sauce, so I would advise whenever you're doing your Banga rice, blend it with sauce. You need the sauce to make it taste awesome. Since the Banga rice is okay, it's the way I want it right now, I'm going to add the beans aside. The beans is already cold. I prepared it. The beans is already cold. I prepared it yesterday, so I'll just put it aside. And then I'll show you guys the final result when I'm dishing it. Okay, Banga rice is ready. It's time to dish. Oh god, this smoke. So my sister don't want beans, so I'm going to go right with the sauce. This is the end result. I don't know if you can see it very well, so I'm going to use it like this. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for my next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. You can also drop your comment below. I'll be there to reply you. Bye.